Then ChatGPT hits the bar in December last year, and then poof, you just shot into the future very quickly. Talk to me about the historical nature of the significance of this moment right now.
Well, Ganesh, I mean, it's almost like the last piece of that jigsaw puzzle that we've been working on for the last few years. We've got this amazing painting and it's broken into all these little jigsaws. We're putting and piecing the parcels together. And I've been on the journey around NLP and computer vision and all of the step functions that we've had. But I think it feels like we're here today at a point when that last piece just slid in and the entire jigsaw puzzle is now complete. And you step back and you look at it, and there's only one word for it. It's wow. I think what transformers in general, and ChatGPT being one example of them, have done is they've solved for a problem we've had with AI for a long time. And I say that as a problem now. At the time, we didn't think of it as a problem. We've always known that AI has been a fantastic prediction machine, right? And we've talked about this in our previous conversation as well. So I live in Seattle, as you know, and I look around and say, is it going to rain tomorrow? And the reality is AI is going to give me a fantastic prediction on the probability of rain tomorrow, right? It's amazing. It's better than anything else we've had. But if I asked a different question and say, do I need to bring an umbrella? It can't tell me to bring an umbrella, because bringing an umbrella is judgment. It's taking the probability of rain tomorrow. It's thinking about what I'm going to wear. Am I going to a board meeting? Am I going to a startup meetup? Am I wearing my suit? Am I wearing my jeans and my polos, right? And am I going to walk a lot? Am I just going to drive there and then just dart in? Like, a lot of things go into that decision making, let alone my own preference on, do I want to get wet? How much rain can I tolerate? All that sort of stuff.
Sure.
So it can tell you what the probability of rain is, but it can't tell you whether you should take an umbrella. And it's what we got used to. And I think what transformers have done for the first time, if you go back and look at some of the scientific papers that got published, I think the way they got there was the reinforcement learning with human feedback, is the reward function was changed, not just to come back with an accuracy of prediction, but the appropriateness of the answer. And, really what's been amazing is you train it for some information, and somehow that model seems to transfer apply to so much. And so I think what it's really done behind the scenes, it's allowed us to move away from just prediction to now a little bit more of a judgment. And I think that's what we're all marveling at, when sort of the average person goes on and sees the responses and they go, wow, it isn't just the prediction accuracy, it's actually the judgment that's coming into play.